Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I'm going to show you how I make this delicious, easy oven jerk chicken. So stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So right here I have 3 pounds of chicken that I cleaned, pat dried, and it's ready to be seasoned. But first I'm just going to make some slits into the chicken to allow the marination to absorb even better when we add all our seasonings like our jerk seasoning or all-purpose seasoning and all of that good stuff. So just making some slits. Now going in with some olive oil, then going in with 1 teaspoon of black pepper, following 1 tablespoon of Maggi chicken and all-purpose seasoning. Now going in with my green seasoning, then going in with my jerk seasoning to give this chicken some nice flavor. Also, I'm adding some browning just to help with the darkness of the chicken because I love that nice dark look on my jerk chicken. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. So I'm just going to mix this together because I want my chicken to be well seasoned. So I'm just making sure I rub that jerk seasoning and all the other seasonings into that chicken. So it's time to bake the chicken. So I have my baking sheet that I line with foil paper and I grease it with some butter. So I'm just going to go ahead and place my chicken onto the tray. So for the marinade that is left in the bowl, I'm just going to add some beer and use it to baste my chicken halfway in the cook time. So after 30 minutes, this is how the chicken is looking. So I'm just going to baste it all over with my thyme leaves because I still want that jerk vibes like when I'm buying it on the streets in Jamaica. So you can use your baster or a brush and just baste your chicken, flip it on the other side and baste it as well. After that, I'm going to place it back in the oven to allow it to bake for another 30 to 35 minutes. And in the last 5 minutes, I will turn up the heat to get a little bit of a grill look like it's coming from a jerk center. So there you have it. After an hour and 10 minutes, it is out of the oven. It has this nice, really charred look, but still juicy on the inside. I went ahead and I chopped up my chicken. So you can enjoy this delicious jerk chicken with some bread, festival, or you can eat it by itself. Some persons like to add some sauce to it like ketchup or hot sauce. So let me know in the comment section what you eat your jerk chicken with. And thank you so much for watching. Of course guys, I had to put some foil paper to still have that jerky style. Yes, I love that vibes. So thank you so much for watching, and until I see you next time, bye guys.